हेलो फ्रेंड्स। गुड मॉर्निंग। आई होप सब लोग सब बढ़िया होंगे। और अब तक ये जो हमने सेशन डिस्कस किए थे कि एग्जैक्टली ऑरेकल स्टैंड फॉर, इसकी फुल फॉर्म क्या है बेसिकली। कई लोगों को नहीं पता होता, कई लोगों को पता होता है। तो इट्स लाइक a market and depends on knowledge how you are trying to achieve a knowledge at this platform, right? एंड ऑल्सो उसके बाद में फिर हमें डिस्कस किया था कि हमारे ऑनकल के जो पेजेस कैसे होते हैं, फिर डेटा फ्लो कैसे, कनेक्टिविटी कैसे होती है, राइट। उसके बाद में हम आगे जो बढ़ने जा रहे हैं, अब और कुछ फाइनेंशियल उसमें बढ़ने जा रहे हैं, राइट। तो सबसे पहले दोस्तों, ये आपने देखा होगा कि एग्जैक्टली ऑरेकल में अगर हमें कोई भी मॉड्यूल पे और कोई भी हमें चीज़ें डिस्कस करनी होती है, तो हमें सबसे पहले क्या करना चाहिए, क्या स्टेप्स फॉलो करने चाहिए। तो वर्किंग फाइनेंशियल मॉड्यूल्स पे आगे बढ़ने से पहले हमें सबसे पहले ये देखना चाहिए कि एग्जैक्टली हमें किस किस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज की क्या वैल्यूज है, क्या फंक्शंस है, और किस तरह से हम एक्सेस दे सकते हैं। और डेफिनेटली ये जो मैं अभी टर्म्स बता रहा हूँ, वैल्यूज फंक्शन से किस तरह से काम करता है, विच इज कम्प्लीटली पार्ट ऑफ द सिस्टम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, राइट। तो वहाँ पर क्या क्या फंक्शंस है जिसकी जिसकी हेल्प से हम अपने कोई भी पर्टिकुलर टास्क है उसको परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं टाइमली बेसिस एज पर बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट। ओके। सो आज का जो सेशन है, हम जो डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं कि एक्सेस कैसे लेते हैं, या अगर मैं किसी पर्टिकुलर यूजर को या कोई फाइनेंशियल यूजर है, तो हम पर्टिकुलर जो भी हमें ऑलरेडी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्रिएट कर रखी होगी, अगर हम क्रिएट नहीं कर रखे तो वो हम कैसे करेंगे, तो वो हम आगे आने वाली सेशंस में आ, कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे, तो वो सारी चीज़ें हम कवर करेंगे आने वाले सेशंस में। बट अभी के लिए अभी बस ये सीखेंगे कि एक पर्टिकुलर यूजर्स को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कैसे साइन कर सकते हैं, और आगे उसके एक्सेस को किस तरह से रिवोक या इनेबल या पासवर्ड रीसेट कैसे कर सकते हैं, ये सारी चीजें आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो ये पेज आप कहीं से भी ओपन कर सकते हैं, मे बी what's the Java function that open. So on that basis, we can switch the responsibility, right? Okay. Now this is called black hat gap, which is a thing like switch responsibility options, right? So I just came here, and here also you can see there are a lot of responsibilities already assigned to these users. There is the responsibility which we need to perform the task. So this is the only responsibility we can use. Right? So I'm just selecting this one. Okay. To make to come perform to give any kind of access for the particular responsibility to individual users. But definitely we should have a system administrator responsibility, wherein the security user profiles and many functions should be assigned to that particular responsibility. Otherwise, you can create your own responsibility, and you can assign these functions and menus to your respective responsibility. Definitely, we'll talk about this later. Now, so how we will go into this thing? So, if you see like concurrent profile, application installs, right, workflow, define profile options. So these are like standard functionalities which is given by Oracle. So, for example, if you see like concurrent, so whenever like any kind of the program, for example, you can say in general ledger, file balance is joining. So how we can define the trial balance program? There is nothing like this kind of like technical terminology, but via executing package, we can run or do the changes as per our requirement, or any kind of customization if we needed, or if you wanted to add any kind of a child program to the request set, or we wanted to change anything in the concurrent program. So there are a lot of things we can perform via this option sound. Yeah. So this button just you can collapse all. So if you can see, Like, so now, if, for example, if you wanted to see through which user you have logged into the Oracle application, so what you will do, help about Oracle application, help about Oracle application, and here you can see username, COA admin, right? So whatever the username which have been logged in via this username in this Oracle application, that will be shown over. Yeah. And also you can see like what is the exact version which you are using, RDBS, Oracle application, which machine, right? What is the app, which is the SID, all the details, system details you can see here. What exactly CPU machines are using. Okay, so now we are going to assign a particular responsibility access, or we wanted to view or see like how many responsibility have or particular responsibility assigned to the particular respective users. So via this option you can check. So just nothing. You will go to the system administration responsibility and the security and user. Users define. Okay. So this is the security user form where it looks like this. So for example, if you see there is one account which I have created via the name of CA admin, and this is a person form which I have attached over here. And if you see, there are a lot of responsibilities have been assigned. For example, system administrator, as usual, system admin. Or if you wanted to add anything, you can just plus button, and then you can click on this triple dot, and then percentage sign, and you can go for your responsibility which you wanted to have the access, right? And number of the responsibilities. For example, if you wanted to see like because how the name of the variables, how many responsibilities are there. So you can see this for the yeah, the, so you can select that particular responsibility. For example, I just wanted to have the access um, uh, for example, this responsibility I want to have the access. So I will click here and then I select OK. See, now my function has been fetched out. Now, so you can see this is taking as a current date. If you wanted to change any particular date from since long, how there are some particular organization which they always uh, do this activity, like they wanted to just start it from like and so on. It depends how you're doing, but there is no change, right? Now, just what you can do, just you can select and you can save perfectly save. So what after that you can just after that you can see the response. For example, I just saved it, see the message here. Pop-up message will be there. Right. One transaction complete, one records a pattern for zero. Now, with the help of the in the keyboard, you can press F4 and then you will click on black hat switch responsibility button. Now you can see, right? Accounts to also over here you can just press, you can see. So whatever the managing functions are assigned to this responsibility, you will be able to perform the action as per your requirement. Yeah. So this is all about for this one. Now another thing is I just wanted to show you. Let me go to the back. Same responsibility, system administrator, security. user define, for example, here, for example. Now, for example, somehow uh, there are many users and they are not very educated with the system. They are not aware like how the system compliance are there. So sometimes they just put the wrong password, and sometimes due to this problem, sometimes this account is locked. So you will see the status is logged sometimes, right? So on that basis, what you can do, just you can change the password here, whatever you want. You it will ask you time. You have to put the same password, and once you're done, that's save. And after that, you will log out from all the application. You close your browser, and you will click login. And again, so whatever the password you have given here, the same password which you have to give and at the time of the digital login, and then again you have to provide your own password to avoid any kind of the compliance breach. So you will provide your own password. After that, once you are done, then you have to and the dumping of the resetting password, and then you can go to your home page and then you can perform the action what you want. Yeah, for example, there are a couple of the users and they have left the application and we got the order. Okay, now these users has to be disabled in the system. User ID should be disabled in the system. So what you can do is you can provide that end date, right? So once you will provide the end dates, after that, via this username by ID, nobody will be able to access until unless this and date will not be removed. And then once it is done, then you can again start logging the application and you can perform the task. Yeah. So you can see like the effective date, what is the responsibility, which responsibility are belongs to which application also you can see, right? So there are a couple of the things which we have to do and take care at the time of the assigning this kind of a task. So I hope आपको ये सारी वीडियोज आपको पसंद आई होंगी और आगे सेशन में हम डेफिनेटली कवर करेंगे अब आगे जनरल लेक्चर की किस तरह से क्या चीज़ें हैं जनरल लेक्चर में हम कैलेंडर करेंसी किस तरह से क्रिएट करेंगे फाइनेंशियल कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे एंड सो ऑल्सो धीरे धीरे हम आगे चलेंगे कि आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है सो प्लीज ड्रॉप मी इन कमेंट and send me an email and definitely we can look into it and you can I'll try my best to reply you soon as possible. Yeah, thank you so much. Be safe and have a great time. Bye bye.